Hello, welcome to today's mathematics class. For this class, we'll consider the third method under the study of Binomial Theorem called the combination method. We'll look at how to solve problem using combination method, and we'll see how we solve some problems using this, and we are off, right? So your task here is that for combination method, you can only apply, or perhaps you can only solve combination method with ease if you are good at using the Pascal triangle concept. What's the concept? We said last class when we did the Pascal triangle, we said that the task there is that you pick out the first term so that the first term carries all the power and the next term is left with nothing. We said after that, it reduce the first term by 1 and increase second term by 1. That was our idea for Pascal triangle last class. So for this class now, we need that idea too to solve problems using the combination method. Let's pick out just two examples, right? So further explain combination method, and we are off. All right. Let's start with example 1 there. Let's start example 1 there. Example 1. Let's say, for instance, let's say I have a plus b all squared. We know that if I expand this one here, I'll have my value as being a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Let's now use let's now use combination method and see what we get. Before I proceed, let me just recall you back from a basic concept of combination. What's combination by definition? A combination can be defined as the selection of n different objects taking R at a time. By the way, I'm going to be doing some videos on combination in our next class. So look at permutation and combination in our next class. So before I proceed, let me just recall you back for combination. The expression is given as n combination R, which is equal to n factorial over n minus R factorial R factorial. This becomes your mathematical expression for combination. So by the way, I'll show you how to use calculator to punch out the combination of any expression quickly than expressing in this form. But let's start with this, please. Let's solve this, please. To solve this man here, what's your task? It's quite simple. My first task there is that we said for combination, I'll start with, if I have a plus b all squared, how do I expand it using combination method? C is a symbol for representing combination, Abi. So I have my C here first. What's the highest power? 2. This becomes 2. Here is 0, please. This becomes 2. Here becomes what? 0. I have 0 here, right? Sorry. So this becomes 2 combination 0. Ensure that your, listen up, start with C, right? So that it carries all the power, and here is 0. Apply your Pascal triangle concept. Pick out the first term, carries all the power. Second term, left with nothing. I'm done. Plus the same combination. This is 2 combination. This is 0. Increase by 1 now. Are you there? So the same procedure. Decrease by 1. A to power 1, B to power 1. Right? So I have a plus sign again. Plus the same 2 combination. 2 combination, 2 combination, 2 combination. But what? This one becomes increasing. 0, 1. That becomes 2. So we said reduce by 1, A to power 0, increase by 1, B to power 2. So I'll stop here, please. At this point, what's the next task? If I take my calculator and punch 2 combination 0, I'll be having 1. That's 1 into a squared per se. This power 0 is off. 2 combination 0 is 1. A squared is a squared. This power 0 is 1, so it's off. Plus this 2 combination 1. If I press on calculator, 2 combination 1 should give about 2. 2 into AB plus this 2 combination 2. 2 combination 2 is 1. That's 1 into what there? A to power 0 is 1. B to power B squared is B squared. So I have B squared here. So what I get here, I'll have A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Observe that this my answer is similar to what I'm having here. So that becomes how to use your combination method, right? So you should know by how to punch 2 combination 0, right? Let me try to show you using the screen here. So for combination sign, observe that for this my calculator here, my combination sign is at this division symbol. So the task is quite simple now. I'm having 2 combination 0. So I'll come ahead to this point. I'll punch 2. I can see 2. Next up, combination is at this division. So I press shift division sign. You can see C, right? C, then 0. So this gives what? I have 1. Observe, I have 1. It becomes how to use. So 2 combination 0 will give 1. So that becomes how to use that man there. Or perhaps I'll try to create a video on how to use combination to how to punch problems on combination. Let's take one example and we're off. Let's say I have to expand a plus b all cube. When we expand this last class, we had a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Let's now expand this one using combination method. We said it's very simple. Your first task, start with C, carries all the power, there is 0. Apply your Pascal triangle concept. Start with the first term, all the power. Next up, second term is left with nothing. Plus, maintain your 3 combination. This is 0, here is 1 now. Apply the same concept of Pascal triangle. Reduce by 1. A squared b to power 1 plus combination 3 is here. 3 combination. Here is 1. Here is 0, 1. Here becomes 2. Then I have a to power what? Reduced by 1. B to power what? 2. So I have this one here. Plus the same 3 combination. Here is 2 now. This becomes 3. This a to power 1. Reduced by 1. A to power 0. B to power 3. So I'll stop here. So what my next task here, this is now equal to 3 combination 0 is 1. So I have 1 into b to power 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by a cube, that's what? A cube. I have this. Plus 3 combination 1 is 3. That's 3 into a squared b. A squared b. Hence power 1 is that. That's b. So plus 3 combination 2 is of course 3. That's 3 into a b squared. You can confirm that, right? Use a calculator. Confirm that, please. That's what we have. Plus 3 combination 3 is of course 1 into b cube. A to power 0 is 1. 1 times b cube is b cube, yeah? So what do I get here? I'll have a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Here is my answer. Observe that this answer now is comparable with this. So this is how to use the concept of combination method. If you found this class helpful, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and classmates. And it's also, if you're interested in assisting us or donating towards the cost of the progress of this channel, you can simply reach me out through my WhatsApp number, right? And you can assist us with any amount or any materials. So thank you very much and welcome once again to Excellent Link Academy. See you in the next class. Bye.